In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix your Ethernet speed capped at 100 megabytes a second in Windows. Now, this can be really annoying, especially if you're paying for more than 100 megabytes per second. For example, you might be on 500 or 1 gigabyte or even 10 gigabytes in certain locations. So you obviously want to utilize what you're paying for and not be capped at something really slow. So all you want to do is once you're on your desktop, you want to go to the bottom to the search area and type in Device Manager. You want to click on the first thing that comes up. It brings up your device manager that is in your control panel. You want to go and find your network adapter area. Click this. From here, just find your Ethernet, which in my case is Realtek PCIe 5GB family controller. Right click on that, click properties, and then over here, you want to click advanced. Now, once you're here, scroll down until you find speed and duplex. Now, you might by default have it set to 100 megabytes per second full duplex. What you want to change it to is auto negotiation. However, there are also options to change to 5 gigabytes per second or 2.5, but I just find that auto negotiation works the best. So once that's set, you can press OK, but I would also highly recommend turning off power saving mode. Just click here and make sure it is not enabled. By default, it is enabled and it actually slows down your internet if you have it enabled. So you definitely want to turn this off.